Hi everyone and welcome to Croatia House's film review. Our opening night film is Drazen, a moving tribute to one of Croatia's most beloved sports icons, Drazen Petrovic. Directed by Danilo Šerbedžija, son of acclaimed actor Rade Šerbedžija, Drazen goes beyond basketball. This is not your typical sports film about a sporting legend. And if you come thinking that it will be, you'll walk away disappointed. It's more about the man behind the fame, the devoted son, the loyal friend, a grounded soul with big dreams. Rather than glorify him, the film gives us a tender, honest portrayal of Drazen, his humanity, his heart, and his untimely death at the height of his career just after Croatia's independence. The film is beautifully shot, it's emotionally charged, and it's a reminder of a spirit that defined a generation. So don't miss this powerful opening night film at this year's film festival, brought to you by Croatia House. I'm Mariana Rudan. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the Croatian Film Festival this year. And hey, subscribe here for more heartfelt reviews from the team at Croatia House. In the meantime, bye for now.